In this video, I'll show you how to send proposals that double as onboarding documents. This strategy streamlines your workflow, cuts down on paperwork, and makes a great first impression with your clients. Stick around till the end because I'll give you an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using to make all of this happen. Let's dive right into it. The first step to sending proposals that double as onboarding documents is understanding the power of consolidation. Instead of sending separate documents, one for the proposal, another for onboarding, combine them into one seamless proposal that sets clear expectations, outlines the project, and includes all the details needed for onboarding. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the client is already familiar with the steps they need to take. When you create this hybrid proposal onboarding document, start by outlining your scope of work, timelines, and deliverables. Make sure to clearly define the roles of both parties involved, especially when it comes to client responsibilities. Then, in the same document, transition into the onboarding section. This can include setting up accounts, requesting access to necessary files, or providing your team with any initial materials. Next, you'll want to add some engaging, action-oriented language. Your client should feel excited about the next steps. Use language that makes them feel confident about the partnership. For example, once you sign this proposal, we'll get started with onboarding in the next 24 hours. This sets a clear and immediate action plan. Incorporate your payment terms and expectations within the document too. It's important that your client knows how to pay, when, and the method they'll use. By having these terms up front, you eliminate any confusion later on, making it easier for both parties to stay on track. One key part of this process is making sure you're using the right software. I've tried all the popular platforms, and I'll share my personal favorite for creating these all-in-one proposals and onboarding documents. The software we're using today automates much of this process, so you don't have to manually track each step. It allows you to create custom templates that combine proposal and onboarding elements. It's a huge time saver and keeps everything professional. Check the description below for an exclusive free trial that you can only access if you're watching this video. Now, don't forget to keep your proposals and onboarding documents visually appealing. Use a professional, clean layout and avoid overwhelming your clients with too much text. Break everything down into easy-to-read sections and use bold headings and bullet points to highlight key information. This way, your clients can scan through quickly and understand exactly what's expected of them. Once you've created the proposal, ensure it's easy to sign. The software we're using allows for electronic signatures, so your client can sign right from their device. No more printing, scanning, or waiting for a fax. Everything can happen seamlessly online. So, here's your key takeaway. Combining your proposals and onboarding documents not only saves time, but also creates a streamlined, professional experience for your clients. They get the information they need, they know what's coming next, and they can easily sign and pay. To quickly review: 1. Consolidate your proposal and onboarding into one document. 2. Use engaging language and set clear expectations. 3. Include payment terms up front. 4. Choose software that makes the process efficient. And 5. Keep the document visually appealing and easy to read. Before I close, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. Check the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.